Something strange happens in Zone 5 gardens every June. One small decision made right now can either fill your yard with fresh food and color or leave you wondering what went wrong all summer. Most gardeners miss this window. They wait too long or plant the wrong thing. And when July hits, it is already too late.
But if you get it right in June, your garden takes off like magic.
This is your moment. And in the next few minutes, you are going to find out exactly what to plant before that moment slips away. If you are gardening in Zone 5 and wondering what you can still plant in June, you are in the right place. Whether you are just getting started or already have some things growing, this video will walk you through the best vegetables, herbs, flowers, and even fruits to plant right now while you still have time. We are not just listing names, we are showing you what actually grows fast, thrives in Zone 5 summer weather, and gives you real results. Stick around, because the next few minutes could change your entire season. By June, Zone 5 gardens are finally waking up for real. The soil has warmed, daytime temperatures often stay between 70 and 85 degrees, and the last frost is long gone. Nights are still cool, which helps certain crops thrive, but the danger of cold snaps is behind you. This is when seeds germinate fast, transplants settle in quickly, and growth speeds up. The sun is strong, the days are long, and your plants are ready to take off if you give them the right start. It is the perfect mix of warmth and time, but the clock is ticking. It may be too late for cool weather crops in June, but not in Zone 5. Some of these veggies still have time to shine, especially if you plant them in spots with morning sun and afternoon shade. Radishes grow lightning fast and can be ready in just 3 weeks. Lettuce, spinach, and arugula still germinate quickly in cooler soil, especially when kept well watered. Try planting Swiss chard too. It handles the summer heat better than most greens. If you missed planting these in spring, this is your second chance. Just move fast, because by mid-July, the summer heat may close the window for good. June is prime time for warm season vegetables in Zone 5. The soil is finally warm enough, and the long sunny days give your plants the energy they need to take off fast. Now is the perfect moment to plant beans, zucchini, cucumbers, and corn. They grow quickly and love the heat. Tomatoes and peppers can still go in the ground now too, especially if you use healthy transplants. Just be sure they get full sun and consistent water. If you want fast-growing crops, try bush beans or summer squash. You will see results in just a few weeks. Do not hold back this month. Warm season veggies planted in June often grow stronger than early spring ones because the conditions are finally just right. Give them space, give them sun, and they will do the rest. June is a great time to plant herbs that love the sun and heat. Basil grows fast in warm soil, and just a few plants can give you fresh leaves all summer long. You can also plant cilantro, parsley, and dill, just keep them watered during hot afternoons. Thyme, oregano, and rosemary do best in sunny, well-drained spots and are perfect for raised beds or containers. If you love cooking with fresh flavor, herbs are one of the easiest wins in the garden. Most of them do not need much space, and you can start harvesting just weeks after planting. Grow what you use and enjoy the taste of your own summer garden. Think it is too late to plant something new in June? Think again. Some of the fastest growing crops actually do better when planted right now, and most gardeners have no idea. From crisp radishes to tender green beans, these quick win plants can go from seed to harvest before the season hits its peak. Stick around, the next few minutes might completely change your planting plan. If you want to keep things simple this month, direct sowing is the way to go. No need for trays, lights, or transplants, just plant seeds straight into the soil and let nature take over. In Zone 5, June is a great time to direct sow green beans, carrots, beets, and turnips. They handle the warm soil well and sprout quickly if you keep them watered. You can also sow summer squash, cucumbers, and even pumpkins right into the ground. These crops love the heat and take off fast when planted in full sun. The best part: no transplant shock. These plants grow right where they start strong, steady, and ready to produce in weeks. If you want fresh salad greens fast, June is a great time to plant quick-growing varieties. Baby spinach, arugula, and lettuce all sprout quickly and can be harvested as baby greens in just a few weeks. Swiss chard is another winner. It grows well in warm soil and keeps producing all summer long if you pick leaves regularly. These greens do best in spots with some afternoon shade to avoid the hottest sun. Keep the soil moist and you'll have a steady supply of fresh, homegrown greens in no time. Perfect for salads, sandwiches, or quick sautés, these fast growers keep your kitchen stocked all season. June is a great time to add perennials that will come back year after year in Zone 5. Plants like coneflowers, daylilies, and black-eyed Susans do well when planted now because the soil is warm and roots can get established before winter. Hostas and bleeding hearts also thrive when planted in June, especially if you give them some afternoon shade. Perennials are an investment in your garden's future. They take a little patience, but reward you with beauty and color every year. Plant them now and watch your garden grow stronger season after season. If you want your garden to burst with color all summer, now is the time to plant heat-loving flowers. Marigolds, zinnias, and sunflowers thrive in the strong June sun and keep blooming well into fall. Petunias and cosmos are also great choices. They handle the heat and attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. Plant these in full sun and make sure they get regular watering, especially during dry spells. These vibrant flowers will brighten up your garden and bring life to your outdoor space all summer long. June is a great time to start certain fruits, even in containers. Strawberries do well when planted now. They'll produce sweet berries by next season. You can also try blueberries if you have acidic soil or use a container with special soil mix. For quick results, try dwarf or patio varieties of tomatoes and peppers in pots. Starting fruits in June means you get to enjoy fresh, homegrown flavors without the wait. Just give them plenty of sun and regular watering and watch them thrive. What if I told you there's one simple trick you can use right now that makes your entire garden grow bigger, faster, and healthier? Most gardeners overlook it, but once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without it. Stick around because in just a moment, I'm going to reveal this game-changing secret that will make your June planting unstoppable. Planting the right neighbors can boost your garden's health and yields. In June, try pairing tomatoes with basil and marigolds to keep pests away naturally. Beans and corn grow well together, helping each other thrive. Avoid planting onions near beans, as they don't get along. Using companion planting saves you time and chemicals while making your garden stronger and more productive. Give these combinations a try this June. Your plants will thank you with bigger harvests and fewer problems. Newly planted crops in June need consistent care to thrive. Water deeply, but less often to encourage strong roots. Early mornings are the best time to water so plants stay hydrated without losing too much moisture to evaporation. Mulching around plants helps keep soil moist and reduces weeds. Check your plants regularly for pests or disease and act quickly if you spot any problems. With a little attention, your June plantings will grow healthy and strong all season long. June is busy and it's easy to slip up. One common mistake is planting too early without checking the soil temperature. Cold soil slows growth and can kill seeds. Another is overwatering, which leads to root rot and weak plants. Skipping pest checks is a big one too. Bugs can multiply fast if ignored. Avoid these mistakes to give your garden the best chance to thrive this June. June is a key month in Zone 5 gardening, the perfect time to plant warm season veggies, herbs, flowers, and even some fruits. Timing matters because planting at the right moment means stronger growth and bigger harvests. Whether you're direct sowing seeds or transplanting, giving your plants the right conditions now sets you up for a successful, vibrant garden all summer long. Thanks for watching. If you found these June planting tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gardening advice all year round. Have questions or tips for Zone 5 gardening in June? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll cover easy ways to protect your garden from summer pests and keep everything growing strong.